Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. The first, hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. After that, we can see here the new created home screen folder on our device home screen. If you want to add here more applications, by the same way, hold it for a while and drag it here. We can also move this folder here on the screen. Just hold it and drag by this way. We can move the folder between the screens, or also if you want, we can create the new screens with the folder. So that's so simple, as you can see. If you want to remove some app from the folder, or for example, if you want to rename this folder, just click here once on the name, tap to X just to remove, and after that, for example, just enter something, just gallery, tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed our folder. Just to remove the application from here, hold it for a while and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app here on the home screen. But if you want to remove the application from the folder and from the home screen, hold it for a while and tap here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in apps menu. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.